how to pair a smartwatch to an Android phone with Android 14. This here is the iTouch smartwatch, or if you have a smartwatch that's very similar to this here, this guide should help you in pairing this watch to your Android phone. So let's go ahead and get started here. Basically, with this watch right here, you will most likely start off from the clock face view mode right here, okay? And once you're in this viewing mode here with the time here, you will simply swipe up like this here. You'll swipe up like that, okay? And you will see these tiles here. So you're just gonna go from the right to left, swiping this way here, and you'll keep swiping until you see the BT option. So go ahead and tap on the BT option here, which is your Bluetooth settings here. Then you'll tap on where it says search BT. When you do this, this is going to say searching. If it's not on already, it will prompt you to press yes or no to turn on your Bluetooth settings for the smartwatch itself, okay? Now, while it's searching here now, you will go onto your Android phone here. This is a Motorola phone, but if you have any other Android phones with Android 14, this should work the same, okay? So you'll use the quick panel access and you'll look for the Bluetooth toggle here. You'll long press that, and that'll take you to this part here where you can actually get a better view of what's going on, okay? So if your Bluetooth is not on yet, you'll tap here where it says pair new device, and then it's gonna turn it on and start searching for nearby devices. So do not select what's shown on the phone. In some cases, you might have two of them showing up. So to avoid confusion, you will want to look at the searching device area of your smartwatch right here, this screen here, and you'll see the name of your Android phone show up. So tap on it one time, and it's gonna say pairing, and you'll most likely get a pairing request on your screen of your phone. So be quick about it, press pair, and it's gonna say it's connecting. Then it'll tell you that it's connected here, and being that it's your first time here, you might wanna go with allow so you can access your contacts here and make calls through the watch itself if you can, with your watch in particular here, and let it all set up and ready to go. So you'll see the name of your watch here, and you'll know that your watch is currently connected when you see that little icon right there next to your Android phone name on the watch screen itself. Okay, so hopefully this guide helped you out, and like and sub.